Hello everybody, this is the tutorial on how to make this awesome badminton game. So let's get started. What do you need? You need a racket, then you need a badminton shuttle, preferably feather. Then you need something like this. This is the rubber band or rubber string, and then you need some kind of sticky tools, because we need to make a hole in the shuttle, and maybe some a pair of scissors or these pliers. But let's get started. So if you have this, and you need to make a nice clean end, just take it off. And this is a hack, you can use this. Don't try it at home, but you can just a little bit like this. And then you need to make a hole in a shuttle. So first, just try to be precise, like in the middle. Maybe I wasn't so precise, but it doesn't matter, honestly, since you'll just destroy the shuttle like in an hour. You can use the old shuttles. If you're playing badminton, you have like hundreds of shuttles somewhere inside your home. So first make a hole with this smaller one, and then with a larger one, because the string won't go perfectly. So we need to make a large hole. You need to clean the cork out, and then you can just do it like this motion. So this could be it, Okay, and then take the string, or maybe this one, and try to put it through. If it goes through, it's okay. If not, then you need to make a larger hole. But this one appears to go through. See? So then just make a little knot, like just simple, nothing too fancy. Then second one. Yeah, that's good. Just pull it back to the shuttle, and this is it. Then you need to just tie it to the racket. And since when I try this, I found it's best to do with a bevel grip, and do it with a forearm rotation. So since we'll do it the backhand, just make a simple like tie it to the middle string, something around here, this one. And I tried it not it like fancy, preferably you don't want to have a knot on this side, but I found it doesn't matter actually. You can write it in comments, what do you think, but just for sake of simplicity, I would suggest that maybe, or maybe not. Let's just tie it somehow, like then a knot should be on this side. Let's try it. If it works, if it doesn't work, doesn't matter. So just somehow try it that the knot is on this side, and we will hit it. Is it good? Is it good? And it's good, So we have a knot on this side, but we will hit it from this side. So we will not actually hit the knot. And if the shuttle hits this bump, I don't think it matters. It might add to the difficulty of the hitting. So okay, this is the first part, and next I'll show you how to hit it. Hi, so this is the second part where I show you how to hit it. So you can try it with a thumb grip or a forehand grip, but I found it's the best start with the backhand and with a bevel grip. So put your thumb on a side, on an edge, and that's because you want to do it with a rotation, and with a finger power, with your fingers. And the rotation part is important because you want to pull the shuttle towards the racket, because it's going even faster than in a training or when you're playing with your friends. So I'll show you. Okay, wish mark. So you need to like do it like a fishing, something like this, and then as you can see, I'm doing with a rotation, and I didn't do like too much swinging, you know, just this little motion. So again, let's try it. And also after time the shuttle will become more soft, so it will be easier. But after time the feathers will be ruffled, so it will be slower. You can try it, just try it. So let's try again. It's not so what I found out that you need to really pull the racket, do it, because if you pull it right to your racket, then the shuttle will be the sweet spot at the center. And if you just like mistime it or do a little like wiggle, it will just hit a frame. So you need to be extra careful. Let's try the thumb grip. Let's try it. Yeah, that's not. And also try to hit it like in an upward motion, because that's easier when it's coming like from up down. Then try to hit it like a vertical or downward, something like that. So let's try it again. Yeah, it's hard. Try to hit it like 100 times, and then next challenge will be 1,000 times. I'll try to upload a video on that, but it's hard. And also try to hit it with a forehand, but forehand is like even harder than a backhand. So let's try it. If I do a forehand, yeah, forehand is super hard. And actually, yeah, it's hard, the timing, and you need to pull in motion. So yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think about it. What do you think about thumb, bevel, and forehand? And yeah, let me know how you like it.